Hi everyone, I'm Sim Gakhar, life insurance and investments advisor. Welcome to my 1 minute insurance wisdom. My today's topic is about term insurance. I know I've made many videos in the past about term insurance, but today a lot of people ask me, Sim, you always say that term insurance is renewable and convertible. What does that mean? And I totally understand. It's not very easy for everybody to understand these technical terms. So I'm making this video just to explain you a little more about the meaning of renewable and convertible. Renewable means, let's take an example. Somebody has got a term 20 insurance and the person is around, let's say, 35 years old. You're 35, you're making money right now, you just want to protect your mortgage, kids are small, and you want something in place for sure, and you don't want to put a lot of money. You bought a term policy for 20 years. 20 years went by. You're 55 years old. You're in a bigger house, the needs are more, kids are now going to university, you still need insurance, but for some reason you're not insurable anymore. You've got some health history or some health issue that no companies are giving you insurance. Your term insurance has an inbuilt feature. Means that this term of 20 years will renew for another 20 years and you don't need to answer any medical questions, no health questions. The only difference would be now the new premium would be much higher than the premium you were paying because it would be based off the new age. And again, when you buy this policy at the age of 35 or whichever age you buy, they will always tell you what the premium would be if the policy is renewed after 20 years are finished. And even if the second time it's renewed. So all the premiums right up front when it is renewed, what the premium is going to be. All term insurances, they terminate at age 85, meaning you cannot renew them further. But by the time they renew multiple times, of course, premium goes so high. That's called renewable. Now, the second thing that I always mention in my videos is convertible. Convertible means right now, let's talk about the same 35-year-old person. The person bought the term insurance because that time they were pressed with money, too many things were going on. As time comes, let's say the person at the age of 38, 40, 41 has got a good job and making good money and saving. And now he wants, you know what, I want a permanent policy. But I cannot answer any health questions because the person has got some health issues. Now, there's a very good feature inside of term policies, and most of them have this feature that you can convert it into a permanent policy without answering any health questions. Same policy can be converted. It can be converted into term 100, where there's a no cash value, strict term policy if the carrier offers that, or a universal life policy or a whole life policy. You can even choose the options of 10 pay, 20 pay, means premiums are only needed for a short duration, but the policy remains in force. So these are very good inbuilt feature that term insurance has it, and you can buy the policy even if you can't afford a lot of premium now, and later on either convert it into a permanent plan if needed or renew it when the time comes for the renewal. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask me. You can call me, email me, message me, and I'll be more than happy to answer you. And I can help you structure one for your personal need as well as your corporate need. I'm Sim Gakhar, 647-889-7290. Thank you.